All right, y'all, time for the end of court recap. Ain't no two but to get into it, so let's go. All right, so it is now the end of court. We're going to recap on what I've seen and heard has happened within court today, okay? First things first, it has been confirmed that Devon and Tim are actual cousins, blood cousins, okay? I believe that their grandpas are related in some way, okay? But yeah, that has been confirmed in court. I know that was a big mystery. I know that a lot of people just thought that they were calling each other family because they were so close, but no, they were actual cousins. Another thing that came out in court while Devon was on the stand is that on multiple occasions, Devon overheard Brenay and Tim each other while they thought he was sleeping, probably, right? And on one specific occasion, Tim had came over to Brenay and Devon's house at the time with his son, right? And Brenay and Tim disappeared and ended up hunching, and he could hear Brenay call for Tim and Akira's son to bring her some wipes to clean herself up after what they just did with each other. Trifling as fuck. Trifling. Not to mention, on another occasion, Devon said that he had relations with Brenay, and then later that night, Tim comes over and stays the whole night with Brenay. So you humping one dude, hop off that, and then hop on another one in the same house in the same day. Like that's just vile behavior to me. Another thing that came out, Brenay was trying to file for divorce from Devon online, and in the same breath, right, the same fucking month she's trying to file for this divorce, she sends money to Tim to file for divorce from Akira. So you seriously paying for it. You seriously are paying for it. So eventually Tim got on the stand, and baby, from what I'm hearing, he put on an act, okay? So first things first, he stated on the stand that he was never in love with Akira. He felt pressured by both of their families to get together. It basically felt forced to be with each other. They didn't really love each other. They were more like a roommate situation. And financially, she wasn't there, so they just helped each other out, in a sense, I guess. Tim stated while he was on the stand that he went to a jewelry store and bought the cheapest ring that he could find for Akira. So basically, he was trying to paint this picture that he really wasn't in love with Akira. It was a forced relationship, and basically he just went with it because the family wanted to, but really he just settled, is what he's basically trying to make it seem. Another thing that was brought to light was that the fact that during the time that Brenay was online on TikTok basically saying that she had gotten a divorce from Devon, they weren't even separated at the time. She didn't even file for divorce at the time. So pretty much she was just fabricating the bullshit online for y'all to make it seem like she was doing the right thing and moving the right way, but in reality she really wasn't. And everybody online seen it. Everybody online clocked it. Another side-eye situation that came out in the open was the fact that Brenay had leased an apartment for Tim back in January, right? He didn't leave Akira until March. So that means that she was paying on an apartment that nobody was living in for a couple months just to appease fucking Tim. Like, what the hell is going on? So this is all plotted and thoughted at this point. You feel what I'm saying? At this point, Brenay is still her own lawyer. She's cosplaying Law and Order right now. So we only can go so far, and it's not going that far at all. I'm just letting you know that now. This case is definitely not being won by her. She better go chat GBT some shit. I don't know what she got going on, but it's not this. I'm just saying, okay? So make sure you guys follow, like, and comment down below your thoughts in regards to the situation. We're thinking that this is going to continue on for Monday, Tuesday, and possibly Wednesday. Hopefully it ends. But as of right now, baby, the ball is in Akira's court at this point. I'm just saying. But yeah, y'all follow, like, comment down below, and I'll update y'all whenever I get any updates, y'all. Okay, good night. Bye.